What is going on, YouTube? My name is Lucas, and today we're going to be talking about AgEagle, but we're going to be taking a step further and talking about a company that is owned by AgEagle, and that is going to be Measure. And ladies and gentlemen, did they make an epic move with the largest European drone company out there? I mean, this is absolutely incredible information, and yet again, like I tweeted today, this is only another step in the right direction towards creating the drone age. So if you're interested in AgEagle, you're interested in the moves that their companies are making, I suggest you stay tuned right after this. But before we start talking about AgEagle, we start talking about Measure, and we start talking about Parrot, I ask that you guys smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, comment down below, and now it's time to get into this video. Let's go. This is the perfect time to really be assessing and evaluating the drone stocks. And the reason I say that is because we're really starting to see some big time moves. We're really starting to see some things start to happen from a business perspective. We're seeing things like what we're exactly about to talk about start to take place. And I think this is significant. I do think that these are the baby steps needed to really develop, as AgEagle has trademarked, the drone age. I mean, this is coming, ladies and gentlemen. We have talked about this multiple times. We've definitely talked about it on this channel, from an AgEagle and Alpine 4 Holdings. I mean, the list goes on and on. Dragonfly, we've talked about Red Cat, we've talked about Workhorse, we've talked about the list of drone plays. This one is specifically about AgEagle, and this one is about Brandon Torres Declet taking over as the CEO, understanding maybe what else needs to be accomplished from a drone perspective, really creating that one-stop shop or that one-stop solution for drone companies, or companies coming to look for drone solutions. I mean, this really makes sense, and we're already seeing PR. We're starting to see a lot of, social media transparency from Brandon. We're starting to see some articles that, he has done a little bit of interviewing with. Guys, this is what we expected, and I also think that's why it is translating into the share price going in the upward direction. You're starting to see things happen, which then again translates into why the stock price is going up. When you do good things, obviously we understand that there's aspects where people can short, and there's other things that can drive this down. I do think we have shed, the shorting piece, the lawsuit that was filed against AgEagle. I think all that is starting to be left behind, and we're starting to see this thing really come to fruition and start to take those strides moving forward. So I'm not going to hesitate anymore. That was really a big piece I wanted to get across. Now it's time to get into this Measure AgEagle Parrot deal. So it says Measure, an AgEagle company, and Parrot complete integration of ground control with Anify is how I believe you pronounce this. Drone platforms. Pairing of the best in-class solutions enables simplified end-to-end management and rapid scaling of enterprise drone fleet operations. Ladies and gentlemen, what we're really truly going to be talking about is, again, we're going to see the word SaaS, or acronym SaaS, which stands for software as a solution. You're going to see that pop up. I do think that we're talking about a ground control system that allows you to operate an array of different operational drones. And so you're going to find out all that in this information right now. So it says AgEagle Aerial Systems, an industry-leading drone solutions provider, today announced that Measure, an AgEagle company, has partnered with Parrot, and this is significant, the leading European drone group, to integrate Measure ground control with Parrot's Anify, Anify USA, and Anify thermal drone platforms. The integration provides enterprise customers with a world-class end-to-end solution for easily managing and scaling drone fleet operations workflows. So again, you're seeing massive drone fleet operations. Through a secure mobile flight management application combined with a cloud-based management portal, Measure's award-winning ground control software ensures safe manual and automated missions, capturing real-time data-driven insights that businesses need to reap the transformative benefits of their Anify drone or drone fleet. The software has been seamlessly paired with Anify's rapid deployment and ease of operation to provide mission personnel with ground control standard flight tools, as well as the ability to tailor and expand their use through selection of additional program management and data processing capabilities. Really, ladies and gentlemen, you're seeing a wave of things that are going to occur with this software. You're seeing the ability to really just operate from a ground station, and you're taking it to the next level. I think this is tremendous. I mean, this really is. It says, commenting on the new partnership, Jesse Stepler, Senior Vice President, Strategy and Product at Measure, stated, as a hardware agnostic solution, ground control was engineered to be compatible with the best-in-class drone platforms, now including Parrot and Anify. We are delighted to be teaming with Parrot to empower enterprise customers with a fully integrated software as a solution, the SaaS platform that enables them to easily fly, track, and manage real-time their Anify drones used to address key operational objectives efficiently, and that magic word, safely. Features of ground control now enabled on the Anify platform include manual flight control and data collection, program management and compliance, data processing and analysis, integration with existing customer workflow systems, and much more. Parrot's Director of Strategic Partnerships, Jerome Bouvard, noted, Parrot remains committed to the continuous innovation of our Anify platform through the addition of high-performance, value-enhancing partners. Significant. The integration with Measure Ground Control advances Parrot's quest to provide the most robust, safe, and reliable drone solutions to professional operators seeking to deploy drones at scale. So I think that's one of the biggest pieces. It's not the biggest, but it's one of the biggest pieces, is the fact that we're seeing deploying of drones in a large amount. You're talking about a decent scale, and so I think that's why this is significant. And I really think that that's where you're going to start to understand the package delivery aspect is coming to fruition. It says Measure Ground Control is now available for download to iOS systems for use with Anify, Anify USA, and Anify Thermal Platform drones. The software will be available for Android systems later this year. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to really kind of touch on what Parrot is for the people who may not just be aware. I mean, this is the largest European platform when it comes to drones. So Parrot was founded in 1994. Today they are the leading European group in the fastest growing industry of drones. It says, visionary at the forefront of innovation, Parrot is the only group to be positioned across the entire value chain. From equipment to services and software, Parrot, the world's number 2 of the consumer drone market, designs drones known for their high performance and ease of use. Parrot has a portfolio of outstanding companies and interests in commercial drones, covering equipment, software, and services. It says its expert capabilities are focused primarily on 3 vertical markets. Agriculture, and then it continues to say that their second one is going to be 3D mapping. I mean, that kind of lines up with what I'm hearing. Mapping, surveying, and inspection, and defense and security, which we are bringing in with our new CEO, Brandon Torres Declet. It says the Parrot Group designs and engineers its products in Europe, mainly in France and Switzerland. It currently employs over 500 people worldwide and makes the majority of its sales outside of France. It says Parrot is headquartered in Paris, has been listed since 2006 on the European market. So as you guys are aware, it is currently trading on the European market. I think this is a huge, really a huge partnership. You're talking about the second largest this is just an incredible piece of information. And ladies and gentlemen, we expect this to continue to happen with our new CEO. I mean, I really do expect that passion, that drive, really to start to come out in deals like this, in partnerships like this. And again, we're going to dive into the chart and you're going to see that reflection. And now we've come to my favorite part of any video, and that's chart breaking down time. So let's swing on over here and check out UAVS AgEagle. So today it opened at $6.05. It got as high as $6.34. Its low was $5.59. Its volume, 7.162 million. Market cap currently is 420.6 million. 52-week high is $17.68. Its 52-week low is $1.14. Average volume is 3.846 million. So it closed today at $6.10. That was up 6.27%. ladies and gentlemen, I will take that all day long. And it continued to go up in the after hours, closing out the day completely at 6.25, up additional 2.46%. So as you guys can see, this is a 1 month chart, and the reason I wanted to show you the 1 month chart is because we've been progressively, steadily going in the upward direction. Since Brandon took over, it seems like we've been taking a little bit more strides in the upward direction with the chart. But I'm really liking this steady climb. I don't want to see dramatic, rushes in the upward direction. I want to see us really perform based on our earnings, really perform based on the news that is provided, and then the stock price is reflected based upon that. I don't want this company to get so far ahead of itself. I do understand, ladies and gentlemen, the stock can't be green every single day. It can't go up every single day. I completely 100% understand that. But I think this is time to start to see this thing realistically start to trend in the upward direction like we've seen. I think we're starting to see the entire drone sector as a whole start to come together. And I do think we're going to start to see a lot more from companies like this in the drone sector really reflect and do some amazing things from not only a share price but a business perspective to really pushing drones out and doing what they're supposed to do. The FAA is going to start loosening up. We're going to start to see things happen, and who knows, we may start to see more and more drones out in our everyday lives, doing package deliveries, doing medicine deliveries, doing food deliveries, doing all kinds of different things. So this is a very, very exciting time. And in all honesty, ladies and gentlemen, if you are interested in drone stocks, this would be a perfect time to evaluate what you are really wanting to get into. And I think this is a good time to really assess, like I said, if you want to get into these drone stocks. I appreciate you swinging by and checking out this video on AgEagle. I really do appreciate it, ladies and gentlemen. This is an incredible stock. I've been with this thing for a long time. I think it has such potential. I think that obviously we understand there is a massive non-disclosure agreement in place with a big time e-commerce, but I think there's more and more that is going to be coming out and about with this company. Now that our new CEO has taken over, we're already making huge partnerships. We're already seeing massive strides in the share price, and I just think that this is a very, very tremendous time. Like I stated, it's just super excited for this. I appreciate you coming by. I do want to remind you guys, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything I say in this video is for pure entertainment purposes only, and that's exactly what I'm here to do, is entertain, and you guys know how I do it. If you like this video, smash that like button. It helps out tremendously. And if you enjoy the content, because I'm going to keep the content flowing, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a good day.